Hi friends, today I am going to discuss law in that legal object and consideration. Okay, let's move on into the chapter. In Latin word, consideration means quid pro quo. Okay, agreement to charity according to Indian law void. Okay, agreement to charity. Okay, consideration must move at the desire of the promiser. Okay, must move at the desire of the promiser. Consideration may move from promisee or another person. Okay, and also may move from promisee or another person. And also consideration may be past, present, future. Okay, and see, stranger to consideration valid, stranger to consideration valid. Okay, but stranger to contract void. Okay, stranger to consideration valid but stranger to contract void. And see the next, executory or present consideration move simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously. And see the next, promise to make compensation for past voluntary services or valid even without consideration. Okay, a promise to make compensation for past voluntary services are valid. Okay, even without consideration. And say consideration need not be adequate. Okay, need not be adequate. Consideration must be something which promiser is not already bound to do. Okay, and see the next, valid contracts. In that first one, abstains from doing, and the next one, forbearance to sue, and the next one, determinant to promise, even though no benefit. Okay, even though no benefit. And the next one, compromise with creditors. Okay, these all are valid contracts. And see the next, past consideration. Section 2D, past consideration. Past considerations was not gratuitous, was not free. Okay, not free. And see, services rendered at the request or desire of the promises, services rendered at the request of the promiser. Then the promiser say, I will give some compensation to promisee. Okay, services rendered at the request or the desire of the promiser. Then promiser say, I will give some compensation to promisee. Okay, and see, past voluntary services. Past voluntary services are not valid. Okay, under English law, past consideration is no consideration. Okay, and see the next, present consideration or executed consideration. Present or executed consideration, cash sale is the best example. Okay, cash sale. And see the next, future or executory consideration. And see, the performance of an act by a person who is already legally bound to perform the same cannot be the consideration for a contract. Okay, consideration must lawful. Okay, lawful. And see, there may be cases where one part of consideration is unlawful but other is not. In such cases, the agreement is void. Okay? If the unlawful part can't be separated from the lawful part. Okay? There may be two cases where one part of the consideration is unlawful but other is lawful. In such a case, the agreement is void if the unlawful part can't be separated from the lawful part. Okay? And see, section 10, doctrine of consideration or void or neodam pactum. Neodam pactum. And see, section 25, according to ICAI, a contract may only enforceable where adequate consideration is there. Okay? Adequate consideration is there. A contract may only enforceable where adequate consideration is there. Okay? And see, consideration need not be adequate in general. Consideration need not be adequate. But in ICAI, a contract may only enforceable where adequate consideration is there. Okay? And see the next, without consideration valid. See in that first one, natural love and affection. Natural love and affection. And see the next one, as per section 25 subsection 2, compensation for past voluntary services. And see, services rendered voluntarily, and services must have been rendered for the promiser. And see, existence of promiser. And next, intended to compensate, quasi. Okay? Compensation for past voluntary services, in that services rendered voluntarily. And the next one, services must have been rendered for the promiser. And the next one, existence of promiser. And the last one, intended to compensate. Okay? And see the next, time barred debt. Time barred debt lapse after 3 years. Okay? After 3 years from due date. Okay? That means total 4 years. For example, a contract 5 years, then 5 plus 3, 8 years. Okay? And see, a debtor not legally bound if it becomes the time barred debt. Okay? And see, if the contract is still enforceable, it is made in writing. And the next, the promise must be signed by the debtor or by his authorized agent. Okay? And the next, authorized agent. Promise may pay whole or partly amount. Whole or partly amount. And see the next, completed gift. Completed gift as per section 25. Completed gift. No consideration, no contract. Okay? And the next one, remission. Remission. Acceptance of lesser amount. Okay? Acceptance of lesser amount and what was the due under the contract. Okay? According to section 63, this section provides that creditor can give up wholly or in part even without consideration. Okay? According to section 63 of the Act provides that creditor can give up wholly or in part even without consideration. Okay? And the next one, charitable subscription, not enforced. If work is started by the priest, he can recover the amount. What amount he made repays it. Okay, must be less than the amount given by charity. Okay. And see the next one, agency. As per section 185, agency. Consideration is not necessary to create contract with agency. Okay. And see the next one, bailment. In bailment, gratuitous bailment, then no consideration. Okay. For example, lending books to friends. Okay. And see the next one, stranger to a contract cannot sue, is known as doctrine of privity of contract. Stranger to contract cannot sue, okay, is known as doctrine of privity of contract. And see the next, the person creating trust is known as author of trust. Okay. And the next, benefit the trust is called beneficiary. Okay. And the next, transfer of his rights to third party. Transfer of his rights to third party is called assignment of contract. Okay. Assignment of contract. And see, in lawful object and consideration, and see that object, the purpose of an agreement. Purpose of an agreement. Okay. Consideration, something in return. As per section 23, consideration and object both are different. Okay. And see, as per section 10, if consideration is lawful, object unlawful, then it is void. Okay. And see the next, trading with an alien enemy. Alien enemy is a person whose country is at war with the Union of India. Okay. And a contract with alien enemy is void because it tends to help the economy of the enemy country. Okay. And see the next, stifling, confining prosecution. And see, criminals should be prosecuted and punished. An agreement to stop prosecution against criminals is void. Okay. Non-compoundable offences like murders, kidnaps, robberies, etc. Okay. Compoundable means compromise. So that are valid. Non-compoundable, non-compromise. Okay. So they are void. And see the next, maintenance of champati. That means unfair amount. Okay. When a person helps to another person in a litigation case in which helps no interest, it is called maintenance. Okay. It is valid. When a person helps to another person in a litigation in which helps no interest, it is called maintenance. Okay. And see, in champati means when a person helps to another person in a litigation in which helps unfair and unreasonable interest, it is called champati. Void. Valid. Here, no interest. Okay. Here, unfair and unreasonable interest. And same, sale of public offices, void. Okay. Example, government jobs, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, etc. Okay. And so the next, collateral transactions. Collateral transactions, illegal, void. Okay. But innocently enter into a contract, it is valid. Okay. Innocently enter into a contract, then valid. Illegal agreements, defendant better position. plaintiff not better position, illegal agreements defendant better position. Okay friends, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Okay friends, all the best, do well, prepare well. Bye bye.